Welcome, Colton community. My name is Anthony with the Colton Community Service Department, and I'm coming to you from the R. Thompson Teen Center. And today I am joined by Coach Freddie from the Colton Community Boxing. Welcome.
Hey guys, I hope you're staying safe out there. Due to social distancing, what we're doing, we're bringing you a series of home boxing workouts for your practice at home. Before we get into any of that though, we're gonna teach you the biggest secret in our classes, how to properly wrap hands. I know you're all wondering the same thing, so let's get into that. All right, guys, here we go. So this is an adult wrap, 180 inches, okay? So if you have any wraps that are 180 inches, right around that, you can use this same wrap. So we're gonna start here around the wrist. You're gonna go around, and you're gonna start here at the knuckles. You're gonna go about 4 times around, depending on how big your hand is, 4 times, if not 3 times. So you're gonna go here 4 times, like I said. And these X's here are what's important. These keep your bones in place. We have hundreds of bones in our hands, and this is what keeps them in place. So you start here. Again, that's another X there. Okay, you come up here, and this is your first layer, right? From there, you start going in between the fingers. You go here to the outside, close it. We here, and you want to make sure you straighten everything out and try to keep it as flat as possible. Open, close it. If you try to keep it as flat as possible, it's the best thing for it. Open. That way you don't hurt yourself. You're gonna roll to the inside here, and you're gonna go straight out to the outside. You're gonna come back here, open, here, back to the middle, close, open one more time, and leave it open the rest of the time. You're gonna come here, and you're just gonna finish it off and make it nice. A lot of X's in here, and that's what's gonna keep you very protected. So you finish off here, and you are all done. How do you know you did a good job? Turn it over. This here, it's gonna allow you to grab the glove as best as possible. And then you also have these wraps around each set of fingers that you have on your hands. You can open this up if you wish to also, kind of give you more space in here so for you to grab that glove better. And I think you're good to go. All right, guys, here we go. These are kid hand wraps, about 110 inches, 112 inches, right around there. So what you're going to do is you're going to start here around the knuckles, same thing we did last time. We're going to go here. We're going to go about 2 to 3 times around. I'm going to do 2 just as an example. I'm going to come back here halfway around the wrist. Come here. Then you're going to go as far as you need to go. From there, you're going to start rolling in between your fingers, okay? So we're going to roll here to the outside. And this is where it's different from the adult wrap. You're going to go to the outside, and you're going to roll to the inside automatically. Close it. Make that fist. You're going to try to straighten this out the best you can again. You're going to come out here, open. You're going to go back to the outside. You're going to roll to the inside here, close it. And then you're just going to finish it off here, okay? And again, these are open. These are for kid hand wraps, children, where they don't have their hands so big. You're gonna finish off, just make it look as nice as possible. There you go.
Thank you guys again for tuning in, and thank you, Coach, again for demonstrating the hand wraps.
Please make sure you're practicing this at home. You want to make sure you stay safe, well protected. You don't want an injury at home, so make sure you guys are working on this, okay?
So thank you guys again. Stay tuned. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, on Colton CSD for the latest videos that we're going to be coming to you for home boxing workouts. So thank you guys again. And please share it to anybody of the community or anybody that can benefit off this. We're going to continue doing this. And remember, we are in this together, so stay safe. We're practicing social distancing, so even us, we're going to go wash our hands after this video. So thank you guys again.
Thank you so much.